this video, you'll learn how to use Phantom Wallet on your laptop. By following these steps, you will successfully install and set up Phantom Wallet, enabling you to manage your cryptocurrency assets efficiently. To begin, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar. In the search box of the web store, enter Phantom Wallet and press enter. The search results will display various extensions, and you should locate the Phantom Wallet extension. Click on the button labeled Add to Chrome next to the Phantom Wallet listing. After clicking Add to Chrome, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Review the permissions that Phantom Wallet requires and click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message indicating that Phantom has been added to Chrome. Next, you will need to open the Phantom Wallet. Look for the extensions icon, which resembles a puzzle piece, located in the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, locate and select Phantom to launch the wallet interface. Upon opening Phantom, you will be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are starting fresh, choose the option Create a New Wallet. Alternatively, if you already have a wallet, select Import Existing Wallet and enter your secret recovery phrase to access your funds. After making your selection, you will need to unlock your wallet, input your chosen password to securely access your Phantom Wallet. This password protects your wallet and ensures that only you can access your cryptocurrency assets. Once you have successfully unlocked the wallet, you will be presented with various features available within Phantom. You can send and receive cryptocurrency swap tokens and view your tokens and transaction history. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation and management of your. Lastly, you have the option to choose a network within Phantom Wallet. You can manage your assets across several networks, including Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. This flexibility allows you to diversify your cryptocurrency holdings and utilize different blockchain functionalities as needed. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.